Hey guys, this is how to create free video animations in Canva. So guys, the first thing that you will do is of course simply go to canva.com, and from here just simply click on create a design, and from here just simply go for videos over here. And now as you can see, you can choose multiple options here that Canva has to offer, and you will have various templates that you can start with. But if you want to start with a blank one, just click on video over here, and you can choose multiple sizes as well over here, or multiple dimensions. So I'm going to go for video. And from here, guys, in order for you to do an animation, just of course simply click elements over here and just simply put a character, let's say, for example. And from here, as you can see, let's say I'm gonna go for this person and I'm gonna adjust it. And now guys, we are going to add some text over here. And let's say I'm gonna go for this one. Welcome to my channel, for example. And guys, from here, in order for you to do some animations, just simply go ahead and click on animate over here. And now from here, you will have various options that you can choose from. And from here, you will have variety of options. So just simply click on it to apply, guys. And after that, just simply click on the element that we added and just simply add another animation as well. So it will be depending on you. And now if you want to add more, just click on add a page over here. And after that, you'll be able to create another page. And if you want to add some transition, you can just go over here. And as you can see, you will have an option here, add transition, and you will have an option to make the transition. And guys, once you are done, just click on share and click on download over here, and you'll be able to download the slide. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.